The Galaxy S25 Ultra was a major letdown. Rounded corners, barely any real upgrades, and worst of all, Samsung removed Bluetooth from the S Pen. Fans were upset. Tech reviewers called it disappointing. Samsung played it way too safe, and it backfired hard, especially with Chinese competitors pushing innovation like never before. But now, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is on its way. And believe me, this is Samsung's redemption moment. The leaks we're seeing are absolutely insane. Today, I'm breaking down everything we know so far, from the display to battery improvements, the powerful new processor, camera innovations, and yes, the possible return of Bluetooth on the S Pen. Let's jump right in. Display upgrade. Starting with the display, Samsung is introducing a brand new panel for the S26 Ultra called COE technology. This new screen promises higher brightness, better efficiency, and absolutely stunning visuals. Based on leaks, brightness could hit over 3,000 nits, which is insanely bright even for Samsung. And yes, Samsung has managed to shrink the bezels even further, delivering that ultra-immersive look fans have been craving. Sadly though, full under-display camera tech is still not ready for this year. The image quality just isn't there yet. But still, this will easily be Samsung's most beautiful display to date. Processor upgrade. Next up, performance. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chip. The leaked benchmarks are mind-blowing. The CPU might be up to 41% faster than its predecessor, even while sticking with the 3nm architecture. AI processing is also seeing a huge leap forward, enabling smarter, real-time optimization for photos, video, and system performance. This isn't just faster performance, it's next-gen intelligent processing. Battery upgrade. Now let's talk battery. Samsung's 5,000 mAh battery has been around for years, but that's finally changing. The S26 Ultra will reportedly use new silicon-carbon battery tech, allowing a larger capacity in the same size. We might see between 5,500 mAh and 6,000 mAh this time. Charging speeds are also getting an upgrade, jumping from 45 watts to 65 watts fast charging. Combined with the new battery tech, we may finally get record-breaking battery life on a Samsung flagship, something fans have been begging for since 2020. Camera upgrade. Big changes are coming to the cameras too. Instead of dual zoom lenses, Samsung may adopt a single powerful 200-megapixel telephoto sensor with 4x optical zoom. This is still based on leaks, but it follows trends we've already seen from brands like Vivo and Xiaomi with impressive results. Even more exciting, variable aperture is coming back to the main camera. But unlike the limited two-stage system from the Galaxy S9, this time users may get finer control for better low-light photography, depth control, and cinematic effects. S Pen controversy. The S Pen drama isn't forgotten. Samsung's decision to remove Bluetooth from the S25 Ultra's S Pen sparked major backlash, even though they claimed only 1% of users needed it. Now some leaks suggest Bluetooth support may return for remote selfies, air gestures, and advanced controls. But it's not fully confirmed. Profit margins may still affect that final decision. Price and release date. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in early 2026, with a starting price of $112.99. But that's not all. Before that, Samsung plans to unveil the ultra-thin Galaxy S25 Edge very soon, potentially their slimmest and most innovative design ever. This is just the start of Samsung's comeback with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The leaks are heating up fast, and I'll be keeping you updated with every new development. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest leaks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.